How to change Uber Eats to Uber driver. So first thing you want to do is log into your Uber Eats account or sign up to your Uber Eats account. Then go to the website and then from the dashboard, you will see at the left corner called sign up to deliver. So click that button in the left corner of your dashboard in the menu. Now from here, you will be redirected to another Uber website called apply to become an Uber driver. So basically just sign up to deliver. Just click this button right here to sign up to deliver as an Uber Eats driver. So just click that button and wait for it to load, and then you will need to fill up some details. So for example, where would you like to earn and what are your referral codes, and then press next. So continue with that, and then you'll need to fill up more data like here, for example, from motorbike, the bicycle, the multi-purpose taxi, and many more. So that's how you can also request a ride instead, and that's how you can change your Uber Eats to Uber driver. So for more information, you can check the Uber website yourself and try to knowledge and then research yourself and how to do this on the website.